What up, MTV? Welcome to our crib. Up to go. Now let's just show you around. This is our lovely kitchen area, and where's Dermot? Oh, Dermot! What's the story?
Way too early.
All right, so here we go with the bedroom. This is our bedroom, which is just a bed. And this is our nest to keep out mosquitoes and mice, that's right. We have lots of mice here. And let's go to the bathroom. So here we have our 5-star bathroom, which is basically just a hole. Get it in there. Show them the hole. It's basically just a hole. This is our shower, which is pretty nice, except that it's freezing cold. And that's basically our wonderful bathroom. And so let's take a step outside here, and we'll go over to Dermot here, who's enjoying the view.
What up, MTV? Keep well.
So basically, we live in a treehouse. And let's say hello to our nice German friends.
Hello!
How's it going? That's cool.
So this is our view from our treehouse.
Admiring some of the sunset.
Get a bit of the sun in there.
You know, just chilling out.
This little life.
Having a few beers.
in a metal mug.
Cool, yeah.
So that's it, MTV. Thank you very much. Get out of our house.